Hello everyone, welcome to doinyo Eburru, the mountain of steam. Standing 2,820 meters above sea level, Eburu Forest, located at the outskirts of Naivasha on the Great Rift Valley, is an indigenous forest with a unique ecosystem rich in biodiversity. Join me as I explore this magnificent forest. My hike began at the Kenya Forest Service Eburu Gate. At the geothermal power plant, just inside the gate, you're welcome to a sight of steam billowing, a clear sign of the active nature of the mountain. Eburu Mountain is part of volcanoes that are in the Rift Valley. This includes Mount Suswa, Longonot, Menengai, and Olkaria, making this a source of geothermal energy. At the same time, locals here use improvised condensers to trap water from the jets for domestic use. The mountain is divided into two, the eastern and the western side. I accessed it through the eastern side, which is more active and has random jets of steam shooting in the air. The trail narrows down as I enter the forest. Once inside the forest, you're welcome to this spectacular world full of scenery. The fragrance and the tranquility immediately engulf all my senses. Eburu Forest is among the indigenous forests in Kenya. The vegetation is rich and diverse, and you're guaranteed to come across so many species of flora and fauna. Eburu's elevation, highest point above the Rift Valley floor, you get great panoramic views of Lake Naivasha, Lake Elementaita, and Lake Nakuru. The vegetation ranges from an extensive bamboo forest zone Along the trails and further ahead, numerous stinging nettles that are dense and stand tall.
Granny? Ni mti ya nettle.
One has to be careful as these are so itchy. You will also notice extraordinary looking butterflies and insects as you walk down the trails. Not forgetting birds. Eburru is a bird watcher's paradise, with so many unique birds and their beautiful sounds filling the air. To beautiful trees that are massive, some over 20 meters tall. The guide was so kind to explain the different varieties of trees and herbs and their uses.
What does it taste? It's like fresh water.
It's fresh water. Very good, very nice, and it's all over the forest.
Walking at Eburru Forest is a true delight, beautiful and breathtaking every step of the way. At the end of my hike, I delighted myself in one of the natural saunas for a steam bath. Here, hot air 70 degrees Celsius from underground rises majestically and provides steam. This feels so good after the beautiful trek in the forest. The mountain of steam is truly a safe haven to feel rejuvenated. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.